was doing my final inspections on this 2025 Laramie, and man, just now that you got the swirl marks going, look at all of that flake. The light I'm holding here simulates the sun, a diffused yellow. It's got a couple LED settings as well, but this is what this truck's gonna look like out under the sun. Just beautiful. Yeah, you can't trust the detailers that won't show you, you know, under an inspection light that the scratching's gone. It's real easy to just say, oh look, it's a mirror, it's pretty, but it could be full of swirl marks and you wouldn't know it. Oh yeah, this is an absolute beauty. Ram is really starting to compete. For a while, GMC kind of had the prettiest trucks on the road, but I think that this one is a beauty. Got a new car or truck anywhere in Wisconsin, give Coatings by Bay a call, 920-659-0023. We offer 100% mobile service as well as in studio right here in Grand Chute. And you are guaranteed just the absolute best possible for your vehicle before you leave. Yeah, and all those swirl marks are gone. Just a beautiful finish now. But yeah, we can come to you if you've got a garage that's heated, water and power available. Come do your collections, your brand new vehicles. All we offer is ceramic coating installation and maintenance. No general services like detailing, tint, radios, any of that kind of stuff. But yeah, if you have a new vehicle, give us a call. Even if we're not the final choice, I'd love to talk to you before your purchase. Oh, matte rims, just nice little satin now after the coating. But yeah, I'd love to talk to you, just kind of guide you through the process, even if you go somewhere else. I'm not a perfect fit for everybody. The only thing that I will recommend every single time is definitely skip the dealership offerings. They're not real ceramic coatings. And even if they are, they subbed them out, paid the installer half what they normally make, charged you twice what it would normally cost, and now you've got no idea who worked on your vehicle. So definitely go direct to a shop when you've got new vehicles like this. But yeah, just a beautiful 1500. I will get the exact name of the color after this video and put it in the description, but it's gonna be absolutely beautiful once spring gets here. And with all coatings done between January 1st and March 31st, I always do a free touch-up in spring. That way you get the protection you need now, and you kind of get to have your cake and eat it too by getting it cleaned again in the spring. So there is no reason to wait until May for a coating. Give me a text or call today, 920-659-0023. We're about 2 weeks out. It's winter. It's nothing crazy right now, but I would love to have a conversation about paint protection, answer any questions you have, and maybe getting you looking this good. Ah, what a beauty.